Hi guys, good evening. 7 p.m. here, past 7, and I decided to go out since it's very windy and I'd like to see all these crystal clear waves in the sea. And look guys, how nice it is. Past 7 p.m. Yeah, you hear me right? And ganyan siya. It's so beautiful. Lakas ng ampas ng hangin. Ng alon, rather. See, nakakatakot. And this is Indy, may pasaway. Hey, Indy. Napakaganda po. Look how beautiful the sea is. Actually, mababaw siya kasi may mga tao